Oh my god. Anyways, welcome. Today, this will be my second, speed paint. Making a new game called With the is the Wifford Axe. Yeah, that. So now let me go to my unshelled projects. 908. Since we have nothing there, we could get started. This is a video, my life in Scratch. Yeah. Don't you ask why 23 is here? We'll get this and my home. Back home. Yeah, no, for the ones who think this will have the same one, well, you're like you wrong. This will have a different background. So it'll be in the middle. Let me put Wifford Valley here. Let me get this. If you haven't seen this, this project, go and see it. Yeah. That real one. Now let me put the title. The FDI. Don't you ask why does Amy? Well, yeah. The music done. I simply like that music. But I'm gonna let it go. Now let me get these things in. Just ignore that virus thing. Wait, do this? Here, I could wait a second. Well, you might be thinking, why is that thing popped up here? Well, if you haven't seen my game shoulder account, I said there is a virus here. Yeah, virus. These notifications is driving me nuts. Yeah, it's driving me nuts. Now, let me get this thing that I use. Let's get it with a Funtime walkie. Funtime I see. Well, she's coming in the next update. Don't you tell me I have to remove this, do I? It's starting to get very laggy here. Very slow. No, that didn't meant to happen. That's better. Not bad. Not bad. Now let's release others. Release. Wait. Oh wait, that was meant to happen. Oops. Yes, turn up now. I'm tired of them. Finally, I could get peace with the notifications. Now let's get. Here's something that I use. I use the spy too to make the poses. Oh. You said to turn off the notifications. I want to imagine it now. These notifications are just getting out of hand. What's wrong with this today? Snap behind. Ugh! What happened to my mouse? Oh, Jesus. What's wrong with the mouse? Oh. Wait. I don't know what the heck was happening here. Ugh. Finally, the text come in. Did you just say Pokemon? Oh, did you just say he would search for me? Somebody report this boy now. Report. He's gonna search me. Yeah, well, I don't even have time now.